Hey guys, Roblox 2025 here. Today I'll be doing the Brickmania 2018 Willy's Jeep. It was designed by Cell. It retails about $50 US, contains 133 Lego pieces and brick arms, and packages with a clamshell black box. Here is the box itself, and when you open it, you get the front cover, and I really do like the front cover, as the new background looks very nice. It looks very professional. As you can see, there's a Brickmania logo. It looks better than the white background, which is very nice. It looks very professional. You get your country of origin, your skill level, and on the back you get your legal stuff. It also acts as an instruction manual, which is very interesting. So that's pretty much it, and you also get the stickers, and there's also an extra star. You can't see it, it's just white. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's move on with the model itself. So here is the Jeep itself, and just like all Brickmania minifig scale kits, it's 1/35 scale, and here we have the minifig compared to the Jeep, which is not included, so we take that out for now. And let's take a closer look at the Jeep, starting with the front section. So the first thing to point out is the front is the hood, and I really do like it. And what he did is use these clipper pieces, which is a really good technique. And what I also applaud is the bumper is much more wider and durable, which I complained in my 2016 Jeep. Links down in the description below. And also that he also added a sticker, which is actually for the 2016 model. And the windshield is the same from the 2016 version, other than the top stick part, which 2016 model uses a rigid tube, while this one uses staff and stuff. Of course, you can also fold up and down. So that's pretty much it from the front. And moving on to the side, you have the wheels, which I really do like these wheel over wheel technique, which I use in some of my own mocks. And the only thing I could complain is the side just looks kind of awkward, as this part kind of juts out and stuff, which is just, it looks kind of weird and stuff, which is, I can't really complain because it's Lego, you can just modify and stuff. So what I also applaud is it's much more durable. It means that you can play it and stuff, and also rolls really well. And also has the clipper parts which used for the add-on, but I don't have it. When I do have it, I will do a review on it when I have it stuff. So moving on to the top, we have the steering wheel, the gear shift, the brick arms M1919 machine gun, and these brown parts has seats and stuff. And I would complain it, but I did try to modify it, but there's no way to get around it, so I just give it an excuse. So you have your minifig, and you put it in these jumper bricks, which is a bit difficult mainly due to the steering wheel, but it does fit really well. Of course, it does roll well, as I mentioned before. And here's the sticker. And moving on to the back part, you have your jerry can, your spare tire, and your trailer hitch, which in the 2016 version, it lacks a trailer hitch, so you can put your artillery piece, such as my French 75, and just take out the wheel, and so and it does really roll pretty well. And just take it off, put the wheel in it. So that's pretty much it. For comparison's sake, I'm going to show you some of my mocks. Here's the Rolls-Royce armored car, Renault FT17, Lancia 1ZM armored car, and the Humvee. So here are the models all together. Overall, it's a very well-made Jeep, and I really do like the attention of detail they put into it. And it's a testament how talented the people at Brickmania are, and it's possibly one of the best Jeeps I've ever seen in Lego form. And although my criticisms are more of a nitpick, I'll just give it a 10 out of 10. And if you want your own Jeep, go buy it at brickmania.com. It is quite cheap, for Brickmania standards of course. Hope you guys enjoy this video. What do you guys think of it? Like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.